that's about that.
Give her some bangs.
So she's wanting to get this done, but not do the real treatment, just the patch treatment for now. That's okay. Sometimes you need patch treatment. Man, it's kind of a lot of work. I'm doing something special. Okay.
All the way out.
Yeah, it's super messed up, and it's right on the edge, so there's no space for anything. So we're totally screwed for that one. Maxwell, this one is called Emergency All-on-X Temporary Repair. You can get it cheaper from Miguel.
Even don't you guys give them out for free?
Yeah, we probably do. Sorry, Maxwell. Tell me where I'm supposed to be. I'll put my hand right here. Okay. I will stop moving from here.
She's considering getting her stuff here because I was showing her.
Showing her what?
I was like, well, you know, the piece that they put, you know, you're missing a piece on your denture.
Oh.
It's just, you know, just fucking here.
Like, what's that like?
It's just like a big, kind of like your belt pack for the headlamp.
No way.
Yeah, it's just a little bigger.
And you can just plug random stuff into it?
Mm-hmm. Most of our cameras, but they have like USB and USB-C ports that go out too. That's what you've probably seen them. Tyler uses them for his Blackmagic cameras.
I have like one too. You can use that.
So that's kind of what I want right there. I'm gonna secure it. Yeah, let's get that battery pack. That sounds amazing. I'm gonna let that set up.
My mom just texted me and I was like, I wonder if she cooked.
What does she make?
I don't know. I was wondering.
Is it?
Yeah, because your legacy is before. My knees hurt. They're super hurting. I just grabbed Bobby's and showed it to her.
Mm-hmm.
So she's scheduled for May 6th. Does she need to come in for anything before
You're just
that?
adding tooth.
Yeah, this one I can't fit a tooth on there, so I'm just gonna make one
We'll just have
real
to
quick.
arch.
Okay.
That took like 2 seconds. There we go.
Nice.
Doctor, she's
Yes.
scheduled on the 6th. Does she need to come in before that for anything else?
We need to get her scanned. I told her it would be 3 appointments, so it'll just be a scan appointment.
That appointment on the 6th?
Yeah, uh-huh. Okay, we just need to let this set up, and then I'll put this on.
Yeah, go for it.
That's it, easy peasy.
So then you want...
There we go. I'm probably going to chop them down a bit so she doesn't break them again. Got some teeth on there now? No teeth before, teeth now.
And you want to do the
For this repair, the all-on-4 repair. So what I did here, this patient got her treatment done in Mexico, and there's a lot of good dentists out in Mexico. She got it done out there. She came back here. She was not able to go back to the original clinic to get her final, and so several of her teeth have broken on her temporary, and she wants to, move forward. But for whatever reason, she didn't disclose that she's not going back to the clinic that she originally got her treatment done. So. She wanted me to do something for today, so I added 3 teeth. I was able to put on a couple of Ivoclar teeth, a couple of these little Ivoclar teeth on 2 of the sites, and for the other site I was able to just add a little bit of acrylic and it looked like a tooth, and that was great. That was the easiest one. The other ones took me like 95% of the time. Just hand adding acrylic took like 2 seconds. So we got her somewhere where she's in a good spot now. She can smile. It doesn't look, that's pretty much it. She can smile without being self-conscious. So now I think we gained her trust and she wants to continue. She told me she wants to do the final prosthesis with us. So we'll bring her in next time to get her in for a scan. That's it for that video, but if you're serious about leveling up your implant game, I invite you to go to implantninja.com, where we teach you how to place implants the right way using step-by-step videos, books, and full office solutions that really help you implement very efficient implant protocols. So if the content was helpful for you, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.